vlog Tubuh Budaya. Today I'm in Indramayu, West Java, Indonesia. Indonesia, there are millions of variety of food. One of them, ketoprak. Follow me. What's the meaning ketoprak? That's ketoprak. You know ketoprak? Ketoprak is a type of Indonesian food that contains ketupat or rice cake, fried tofu, vermicelli, and beans flour. Using peanut sauce and crackers and accompaniment. It is said that the name ketoprak comes from the sound of ketoprak falling flat. It is usually eaten in the morning for breakfast, lunch, some even eat it for dinner at midnight. What do you like most about a plate of ketoprak? Savory peanut sauce, chewy ketupat, or fresh boiled bean sprouts? There are many reasons to love this simple dish. Ketoprak can also be the right choice for vegetable lovers. In addition to the familiar taste on the tongue, ketoprak has also undergone various modifications. One of the most frequently eaten is ketoprak with omelette.